Searching for advanced AI music software to enhance your music tracks? Here in 2026, we will compare Suno versus Udio to determine which one provides better music generation quality and control. First, let's take a look at Suno. Suno creates high quality songs with vocals quickly, making music from text prompts with the capability to create 5-minute tracks. This tool is known for its versatility in creating music in various genres, such as pop, rock, and country. It produces the most expressive vocals in the market and provides voices feature that lets users listen to their voices in any music track. Suno free version provides users with 50 credits per day or 10 tracks, whereas its pro versions for $10 a month give unlimited songs and commercial licensing. Now let's take a look at Udio. Udio is characterized by pro-level sound quality of 48K HZ stereo, powerful editing capabilities such as in-painting which helps fix parts specifically without altering other segments. It excels in instrumental complexity, separation, and genres like electronic, cinematic, and orchestral, although natively generated tracks are limited to 2 minutes before extending them further. The free plan provides 100 credits per month, while other plans such as Standard for $10 and Pro for $30 give access to an official API, multiple stems including vocals, drums and bass, and voice manipulation functionalities. For quality comparison, Suno beats on consistency throughout songs and emotional realism in vocals, particularly suitable for commercial quality hooks, although some genera may have a slight compression effect referred to as AI sheen. Udio scores a higher score in terms of sonic fidelity with better low end presence, detailed high frequency information, and wider dynamic range similar to Studio Master sounds, despite Suno's recent version 5.5 update narrowing the gap in vocals. Now let's have a summary of their features. When it comes to editing tools, for Suno version 5.5, it has basic crop, fade, and section adding, while for Udio version 4, it has advanced in painting, remixing, and stems. When it comes to input options, for Suno version 5.5, it has text, 30-minute audio upload, and voices, while for Udio, it has text, hum to song, and reference tracks. And lastly, for customization, when it comes to Suno, it has custom models and my taste personalization, while for Udio, it has multi-stage pipeline and precise manual mode. Now let's have the control comparison. Udio provides greater hands-on customization for users looking for DAW light. Suno emphasizes fast and quality creation with an artistic touch. So, which one should you pick? Choose Suno for faster creation, lengthy music composition, and the most lifelike vocals. It is the better option for creatives and regular users. Choose Udio for refined editing and advanced audio processing options if you require more control over every segment of your song. Both apps are now safe for commercial usage under paid plans due to the licensing agreements in the industry. Tell us what you think about them in the comment section and hit the subscribe button for more AI tools review.